China's permanent representative to the UN office in Geneva, Chen Shu, said on Tuesday that multilateral human rights mechanisms should serve as a platform for cooperation and dialogue, rather than a venue for division and confrontation.
I have the honor to speak on behalf of more than 30 countries. We are deeply concerned that in recent years, the Human Rights Council has become increasingly politicized and confrontational, and disinformation has become rampant. We wish to highlight the following points. First, equity and justice. Multilateral human rights mechanisms should abide by the purposes and principles of the Charter of the United Nations, promote the common values of humanity, and oppose double standards and politicization and instrumentalization of human rights issues. Second, openness and inclusiveness. Solidarity needs to be strengthened with constructive dialogue and cooperation carried out on the basis of equality and mutual respect. Third, objectivity and impartiality. Multilateral human rights mechanisms need to work on the basis of authentic and objective information, respect the sovereignty of states, and the human rights development paths chosen by each and every country in light of its national conditions. Fourth, geographical equity. The staff composition of multilateral human rights mechanisms should reflect the principles of equitable geographical distribution and absorb more talents from developing countries.